We back, man. Been a long time coming, feel like it's been a couple months. Had some crazy stuff going on. Even had a little car accident, guys. I am okay. Lost a couple of rods throughout all that craziness, and I was actually on my way fishing when that happened. And took a couple months, what, 3-4 months, whatever. Got another car here, we're back. I got another GoPro here. We got a new one, got a new GoPro Hero13, so it's gonna be great stuff coming on here, guys. And I have been fishing still, it hasn't stopped. It's just my GoPro, guys. I dipped it in the pool, I went swimming. And I guess the water broke it, I don't know. It blacked out on me. I'm gonna get it replaced, whatever, do all that good stuff, but right now, we got another one, GoPro 13, we're back, guys. I wanna say thank you for still sticking around, being here, if you're following still, and just be ready, guys. This is ready for the sheephead time, redfish, snook, guys. Still got the inflatable boat, gonna be getting the trolling motor and the battery within probably about a month and a half. We're gonna be cruising around here, like Wheaton Island and the mangroves area around winter time, and we got some plans cracking down for real. We're gonna be going to, you know, more like Sebastian Inlet. We're gonna be switching it up. We're gonna be traveling more because I have a better SUV now, so it's gonna be a lot better, man. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you for still being here. Tag along, tell your friend, tell everybody, man. We back, man. We back. Cool. Okay, he's a little small. Yeah, we'll let him go. Dang. So you had decent ones, yeah.
We don't know, see it, Anna.
Right. Oh yeah, there's a lot of white in here. Can't do on a lady, guys. I just got me some good bait here. I'm gonna have to put him on.
Hey, you got it beat.
No, she got me beat already, actually. Really? That's what I'm getting. No way, red, big red. Dang.
Oh, shit.
Hold on, you good?
Whoa.
Just do your thing, girl.
Oh, this one's probably big.
Just fight your fish, man. Fight your fish.
Okay.
Here, right here. Here, right here.
Ah!
Chill.
Oh.
Hold on. Chill.
Oh.
Hold on. Pull him up. Hold on. Don't slip. Get him tired. Just chill. Let him get tired.
No way.
Hold on.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
All right.
He's
Double up
on him.
I'm making sure.
Hold on, let's get up
this
here.
is a little bigger.
Wow. That is a big one, y'all. Look at the blue tail. Nice and blue there. Swallowed that hook, guys. storage property. Alright. Another one this year for her, guys. Okay, guys. We are back. Yes, yes, yes. We are at John's Pass. Yeah, if you want to. Let's see what we can do with the little greenie here, guys. It's not too bad about it. I know something gonna want this green back. Could do some cut bait in a minute here too. What we got, guys? A little jack here on the greenie. Okay. Alright. Spank the little greenie, guys. First bait, first fish. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Awesome little fight on a bait cast. Oh my god. I must have pulled him out too quick. A little young and full of energy, man. See that little one? Yeah, like this. Got him. That's how you do it, guys. That's
Hey! Oh, oh. Let me help.
Yep. Hold on, let me loosen the drag. Some's chasing him, a little snapper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Thank you, man. Oh yeah. I got this, huh? All I had to do was cast it pretty far. So.
Yeah, right.
That took off like a little mackerel. Yeah.
Oh, wow. No way.
Good size.
Yeah?
No.
And he didn't swallow the hook.
Nah.
And he didn't chew it off.
I got the hook.
He got the hook.
Oh yeah, guys.
Hey, let me hit mine.
So I'm mackerel number 2 of the day. Whoa. Of course, bleeding like crazy. Got golly good teeth on that bad boy. Got it.
Okay, feel good.
Oh yeah, God. We got him. Oh. Yeah, here it is. I got me a little baby. Clarissa getting all the big ones this video, yo. Oh. Yeah, right? Right there at Woody's, man. I hit.
Oh, do you see right there in front of you, those
What? The bait?
bait fish right there?
No, oh, like right here, yeah.
Right here, they're pretty good size.
Yeah. Bring them over.
Oh, wow. Oh, there's my bait.
Wait.
Shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, man.
Good job, man.
What?
Good job.
I would have thought that. He's a soft eater.
You got your little one, I got me a little one. Must be another little jet.
We can swallow it. Ah, double up. They're brothers.
I think this one done swallowed the hook.
Ah, no.
So he's bleeding like.
This one too. No.
Bleeding
no,
like.
he didn't.
Mine's bleeding like crazy.
Alright, chill, dude. Chill. You're gonna. Oh. Yeah, that feel like red.
It's probably. Well, you seen the jacks?
No, I don't know. Yeah, they're powerful though.
Got him. Hold on, let me listen to that a little more.
Stop fighting.
Yeah, you get just light pulls. Cause you got real light line. Give him a little fight. Pull him a little bit. Yes, a jet.
Oh yeah.
Good size. So chill, just chill, you go. Ain't no big rush. Unless a big snook come get him.
Probably on the rocks for me.
Yeah. You pull him.
How's my arm tired already?
Something was starting to chase him there.
Oh
yeah. So good job.
All right. Oh my God, he's heavy.
Yeah, he's a big.
Jeez.
Another one swallowed the dang.
Oh, that was another good workout there.
Oh yeah, guys. Like, what is that, 12 pound? If that 12, 13 pound, guys. You gotta get some more braid on there, but amazing. He swallowed that hook. See, did we keep him or just cut that line? Yeah, we cut the line, let him go.
Wow, that's the one we already, you can't have.
Nah, not that. He wasn't that big.
Dang. Woo. And look at him fish trying to take a snapper, trying to take.
I know, you see him right there. What the heck? Like they say, any little cove. If a big grouper come and take it, my pole is gone. Oh, you can't. Can you open it for over here? Well, you could cut it. Closest to his mouth. Yep. Oh, the hook.
What?
Right here. Wow, good job. I kind of pulled it right there.
Oh, you thought he saw it and he didn't.
Yeah, right. Unless he cuffed it up. Coughed it up.
That's a good set, though.
Awesome.
Awesome. Yeah, it was strong.
Oh, yeah.